Stitcher, plug in your name /Walker American First, and let's celebrate Butler. We've put the iconic image of the president on a t-shirt, on a mug. You can find them at sebgorkastore.com. That's SEBGORKA store.com with all our American First, including my books, Defeating Jihad, Why We Fight, and The War for America's Soul. And don't forget, you can support the president, most importantly, directly at donaldjtrump.com. That's donaldjtrump.com. What is this new tack from the Democrats? That J.D. Vance is weird? Is that going to work? We'll unpack with Lord Black after these messages. Stay with us here on America First. Gorka here. In light of recent events, we Americans need to have our heads on a swivel, not just with our personal security, but with the security of our most valuable financial assets. I'm talking about your home title and hard-earned equity. That's why I want to tell you about Equity Protect. They're the only company that completely stops cyber criminals from stealing your title, property, and equity. Most title lock companies only monitor your title for changes. Equity Protect completely stops these financial crimes from happening to you. If you own your home, mortgage-free, or have high equity, Equity Protect is offering a magnificent deal for my amazing listeners.
Acercándote a un cruce de ferrocarril.
equityprotect.com/Gorka and use the discount code GORKA30. Remember, once you have Equity Protect, you don't even need to check. I trust Equity Protect. You should too.
Diabetes, high blood pressure, anxiety meds, everyone's on them. If you're a 40-year-old male, maybe a bit porky, and you may even have type 2 diabetes, $1 million of term life insurance will only cost you about $100 a month. Call Term Provider. Speak with Big Lou at 800-TERM-LIFE. Big Lou will find a term life policy for you even if you have type 2 diabetes, are overweight, or have high blood pressure. Term Provider has helped thousands of people like you who think they can't afford term life insurance. To buy $1 million of affordable term life for you, all you need to do is call Big Lou at 800-TERM-LIFE. Lou will make sure the scales are tipped in your favor. Call 800-TERM-LIFE. Big Lou will answer your call and work to fit you into a term life policy that you can afford. Remember, Big Lou's like you.
Okay, this guy's just wasting time.
Term life insurance, call 800-TERM-LIFE. That's 800.
Organizers of the Paris Olympics apologize to Christian and Catholic groups.
That makes me mad.
Parody of Leonardo
Fucking
da Vinci,
client.
The Last
Oh, my
Supper,
appointment's at 12. Fucking asshole, you don't even know how to tell time. Jeez, and you're my age? Like in your early 30s? Yet you don't know how to tell time. Fuck that. Fuck you. Jeez. You know how to fucking tell time. How dumb are you? Ugh. I am not going back up to fucking Napa. I have to get gas again. Fucking waste of time. Yeah, get gas like every 2 days now. So going up and down to Napa, I don't need to be wasting time like that. Ugh, do you have to fucking text me too? Damn, stop texting me. Fuck, I'm gonna have to block him. I don't fucking care now.